Hello, welcome to the Jasmine Jessie garden. I show you my garden, rooftop garden. You can see a Moriah plant fruiting, very beautiful fruiting on it after pruning. This is a bougainville after pruning. You can see the result after pruning. Bougainville spider plant, very famous air purify plant. You can see on it pops. This is a canna lily plant. This is all about this is result all results after pruning. This is a fig plant, very famous and very honorable as fruiting. Check the fruiting please. And this is hibiscus. It's also a herbal plant. You can see it on new growth. This is air purify variegated rubber plant. You can see on it new growth. This is a vinca, very famous plant from Pakistan. This is a jhumka bale called madhumalti and rangoon creeper also. And you can see a giloy plant. It's also a herbal plant, very famous from Asia. And you can see very beautiful collection aloe vera. It's also a herbal plant. Like look at my jade plant. It's very lucky plant for me. Look, it's so beautiful. It's huge plant. This is a sunflower seedling. I grow it from seeds and I cover it up in the bottles because of sparrows eat them. And I cover on it from bottles. Now it's safe. And this is a pathachata plant. It's also a herbal plant. Vinca is very gold plant from my garden, 2 3 year old plant. This is very beautiful. Jasmine plant. It's bloomed after heavy blooming after pruning. You can see on it all branches have 3 4 buds. You can see. No fertilizer, please. Kindly use only leaf mold or banana peel. This is the lemongrass. These are all vinca and sansevieria. And this is also vinca plant. It's grow from seeds. It's all grow from seeds. And you can see big flowers on it, and it's full of flowers. Our branches are full of flower. You can see lush green leaves. This is the moss rose, very beautiful. 4 o'clock moss rose, very names. And this is a money plant. I grow it from air layering. You can see lengthy stem. You can dip in the water. uh, it's will be grown well. You can cut it and grow in soil very easily. And these are all air purify plants. It's my balcony. It's my balcony. This is my balcony. I place in them all monstera. This is all indoor plants. Monstera, money plant, big leaf money plant, and erica palm. These are all air purify and indoor plants. I I place in it a semi shade area. It's evergreen, perennial plants, permanent and perennial plants, all in winter and summer. This is a marble money plant. You can see my balcony. It's very looks so beautiful. Areca palm is very big. Sansevieria, rubber plant, Syngonium also. These are all air purify. You can see it. It's very bushy Syngonium. And this is night bloom jasmine. You can see new growth on it after pruning. And now you can as well, summary start. Must instruction must follow these instructions please. Must 2 time watering in your plants, and no fertilizer please. You can use fertilizers, as you can use only leaf mold, and you can use banana peels. This is a cool fertilizers. You can use it in your plants. No Kodang, no NPK, no like this fertilizers apply on your plants. It will be burn in a summer, root burn, and these are harmful for your plants. Just simple watering 2 time in the summer. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, kindly like and subscribe us, and be careful, and happy Eid. Allah Hafiz.